In this video, I'll show you how to change the key battery for Volvo models such as the S80, V40, V60, S60, XC70 and XC60. First, we start by sliding this small latch here to remove the key blade. Pull the latch to the side and lift out the blade. Next, use a small screwdriver to slide the second latch and carefully pry open the case to create a small gap where you can insert a tool and lift off the back. Inside you will find a CR2430 battery. Gently remove the old battery and replace it with a new one, with the positive side facing down. Then snap the casing back together. If your key is looking worn out and damaged, I'll also show you how to replace the whole case. Follow the same procedures as before to remove the covers. Here's a new case, which I'll open up in the same way as the old one. You can see it comes with a blank key blade, so you can get a new copy made. Make sure this small metal part is fitted correctly by comparing it with your original. Fit the new battery with the plus side facing down. Now you'll need to move over some parts from your old key over to the new one. Take the other half of the key and carefully remove the circuit board. If this part is worn out, the new case comes with a new one. Just push these two clips to release it. Our one looks okay, so I'm going to keep it. Insert the circuit board and press it into place. Now put both parts of the key back together and reinsert the blade. Nice! Now we have a new battery and a key that looks brand new. You can buy the batteries and a new case for your key at Vparts.se.